Good afternoon. I am Mark Cohn from Spirent. The topic of this presentation is restoring order and the delivery of managed services. As has been discussed throughout the week, the enterprise is undergoing a dramatic transformation, resulting in the work from anywhere movement and the remote workforce. Simultaneously, enterprise applications and their data have been increasingly migrated to the cloud. While this shift was underway well before 2020, COVID-19 has accelerated this migration with significant implications on the network. SD-WAN has emerged as the predominant on-ramp to the cloud, resulting in a significant growth in adoption. Over the past 4 to 5 years, enterprises have outsourced SD-WAN to managed service providers who have responded with a wide range of SD-WAN offerings. As indicated in this slide, in 2019, managed services have overtaken the DIY or do-it-yourself SD-WAN with no slowdown projected in the year ahead. Enterprise and customers have lofty expectations for SD-WAN influenced by the cloud. They expect services to be on demand and tailored to their unique requirements. Frequently, they select the SD-WAN solution based on the value that the individual endpoints and their managers provide. MSPs have been stretched to qualify many vendor solutions that have been proliferating over the past decade, with over 90 different vendors offering SD-WAN today. And for each of those, the need to optimize and address custom requirements in a multi-vendor SD-WAN environment is crucial. In the deployment phase, end users expect seamless zero-touch provisioning with as minimal friction as possible. MSPs must cope with multiple SD-WAN solutions, each with proprietary SD-WAN controllers and managers and widely varying capabilities, including testing. With many unique sites and multi-vendor SD-WAN islands, many managed service providers are reporting greater than expected failures during deployment, directly impacting the user experience. Once the network becomes live, enterprise end users demand high application availability and strong security. MSPs have discovered that SD-WAN service level agreements must be built upon application and security performance, availability, and configuration, as opposed to, and in addition to, the underlying network performance KPIs that they're used to. SD-WAN MSPs are struggling, though, to achieve those SLAs because of the need to provide a multi-vendor and multi-layer troubleshooting approach. Multi-layer SD-WAN service level management and troubleshooting is increasingly complex and expensive, typically based on repurposed tools not originally designed for this mission. The SD-WAN stack is a software-based paradigm and far more complex than legacy connectivity services. Optimization and troubleshooting entails assessment at each layer, along with the ability to analyze the interactions among layers, which is essential, especially considering the virtualized environment that's on the horizon. Security testing is especially critical to assess the end-to-end user experience. While network testing is based on well-defined methods, traffic distributions, and standardized tests, security testing is much less definitive. Testing methods are not as systematic. Tools must be highly programmable to be adapted to a broad range of environments, and traffic must be precisely emulated to assess real-world scenarios. And tests must be constantly upgraded with the never-ending sea of new threats that emerge. This slide summarizes common SD-WAN testing, validation, and assurance use cases that we've gleaned from extensive engagement with SD-WAN managed service providers. The MEF was the first standards development organization to standardize SD-WAN. Many of these use cases are being addressed by the MEF, including the MEF SD-WAN certification program, which verifies conformance with the SD-WAN service standard. MEF SD-WAN service readiness testing project, which provides a vendor-neutral testing approach to validate new site bring-up, and MEF SD-WAN application security project, where security functions in the virtualized environment are being standardized. MEF recently introduced the SASE project, Secure Access Service Edge, and the Zero Trust Framework project as security migrates from the endpoint to the edge. After this session, there'll be two other panel discussions on security that we invite you to attend. In response to these challenges, Spirent's SD-WAN vision is to span the lifecycle while traversing the stack. The multi-layer validation methodology addresses SD-WAN overlay and underlay testing, security and application validation, and assurance across connectivity, NFVI infrastructure, as well as security. The new paradigm results in enable MSPs to efficiently exercise the entire SD-WAN stack to optimize network performance, streamline fault isolation and remediation, and enhance security efficacy for a broad range of environments.